Basically, we look for the staffing, and we place the candidates like who are fresh graduates from the engineering colleges, and from engineering colleges and from the companies and the people who require, we really place them in the higher positions, like from the lower cadre to the higher cadre. I mean to say, from fresh graduates to the, for an example of vice president or the president of the companies. Like if they have any requirements, we are here to fulfill their attributes and their requirements of the company. Basically, like if I get an opportunity to speak about the data serve for 2 minutes, like I could say data serve is completely driving growth, throwing and innovations. Driving, like we start driving our product, the data serve from USA through India, and we are planning to establish our company in Singapore and Dubai as well in near future, and we have started floating ourselves in Hyderabad and Pune and Bangalore, etc. And growth, like yes, like we have very good growth and we have very good contacts. I mean, we have very good, recruitment, staffing and everything all over the world. And we are coming up with innovative ideas, and we have taken up many good projects in Andhra Pradesh, like government projects. We have the government projects, and even we does the programming, and we does the staffing for the companies who are looking for the looking forward for the staffing. And data serve is basically, if we talk about the data serve in USA is completely into the process of converting the H1 category to the F1 candidates, like F1 category to the H1. The people who completed the master's education in USA, obviously they look for the H1 process, like they look into the complete, permanent job. So in those areas like our company in the USA, they'll help to convert the F1 visas to the H1. This is how the data serve works with all over the world.